Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Jelly.
And I'm David. We're really happy you're here today.
Today's episode is for beginners. We will practice English with simple questions.
Yes, simple questions you can use every day.
No pressure. No fast English.
Just slow, clear, real English.
Before we start, if you like learning English with us,
please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend.
All right, take a deep breath.
Relax. You're doing great already.
Simple questions and daily practice. Section 1. Basic daily questions. Let's start with a very simple question.
Listen first.
How are you? This is a very common question. Let's say it together. How are you? Good job. Now, how can you answer? You can say, I'm good.
Or, I'm fine.
Or, I'm okay.
Let's practice. I ask, you answer. How are you?
Nice. Very good. Section 2. Talking about your day.
Next question. How is your day?
This question is about today.
You can answer simply.
For example, my day is good.
Or, my day is busy.
Or, my day is okay.
Let's practice together.
How is your day? Great answer. You're improving already.
Section 3. Morning routine questions.
Now, let's talk about mornings.
Simple question. What do you do in the morning?
Listen to this example. I wake up at 7.
Another example. I drink tea.
Or, I eat breakfast.
Very simple sentence. My breakfast is bread.
Or, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Now you try.
What do you do in the morning?
Nice! Even one sentence is perfect.
Section 4. Work and study questions.
Next question is very useful.
What do you do? This means work or study.
Example answers. I am a student.
I work in an office.
I work from home.
Let's repeat one together. I am a student.
Good job.
Now, your turn. What do you do?
Excellent. Speak slowly. That's okay.
Section 5. Food questions. Very popular.
Let's talk about food. Everyone loves food.
Simple question. What do you eat for breakfast? Example, I eat eggs.
I eat rice.
I eat fruit.
Let's make a full sentence.
I eat bread for breakfast.
Your turn. What do you eat for breakfast?
Perfect. That sounds great. Section 6. Likes and dislikes.
Now a fun question. What do you like?
You can say, I like tea.
I like music.
I like walking.
And for dislike, I don't like coffee.
Let's practice. What do you like? Good job. Clear and simple.
Section 7. Evening questions.
Let's talk about evening time.
Simple question. What do you do in the evening?
Example answers. I watch TV.
I relax.
I talk with my family.
Now you try. What do you do in the evening?
Nice answer. You're speaking English.
Now let's do a short conversation.
Listen first.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. What do you do?
I work from home.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruit.
Now you can listen again later and repeat with us.
Listen, speak, listen again. That's how you improve.
Time.
All right, let's continue.
Now we talk about free time.
Simple question. What do you do in your free time?
Listen first.
I watch YouTube.
I listen to music.
I go for a walk.
Very easy sentences.
Let's repeat together. I watch YouTube.
Good job.
Now you try. What do you do in your free time?
Nice. That was clear English.
Section 10. Asking about place.
Next question is very common. Where are you from?
You can answer like this. I am from India.
Or, I'm from a small city.
Let's repeat. I am from India.
Good pronunciation.
Now your turn. Where are you from?
Excellent. Short answer is perfect.
Section 11. Talking about age in a simple way.
Now a personal but easy question. How old are you?
Answer like this. I am 20.
Or, I'm 30 years old.
Let's say one together. I am 25.
Nice.
Now you answer. How old are you?
Great job. You're doing really well.
Section 12. Daily yes or no questions.
Now we practice yes or no questions.
Easy question. Do you work?
Answers, yes I do. No I don't.
Another question. Do you study?
Yes I do. No I don't.
Let's practice together.
Do you work?
Good. Do you study? Perfect. Very natural English.
Section 13. Talking about today.
Now let's talk about today.
Simple question. What are you doing today?
Example answers. I am working.
I am studying.
I am resting.
Repeat one with us. I am working today.
Now you try. What are you doing today?
Nice sentence.
Section 14. Simple feelings check.
Now let's talk about feelings. How do you feel today?
Answers can be, I feel good.
I feel tired.
I feel happy.
Let's repeat. I feel good today.
Your turn. How do you feel today?
Very nice. That sounded real.
Section 15. Mini conversation practice.
Now listen to a short conversation. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. What are you doing today?
I am studying English.
Great.
Now listen again later and speak with us.
Listen, speak, listen again. Jilly.
Let's continue.
Section 16. Talking about your morning time.
Let's continue.
Now we talk about morning time.
Simple question. What time do you wake up?
Listen first.
I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up early.
All are good answers.
Let's repeat together. I wake up at 6.
Good job.
Now you try. What time do you wake up?
Nice. Clear and simple.
Now another easy question.
What time do you sleep?
Example answers. I sleep at 10.
I sleep late.
I sleep early.
Repeat with us. I sleep at 10.
Now your turn. What time do you sleep?
Very good. You're speaking naturally.
Now let's talk about habits.
Simple question. What do you do every day?
Listen to examples.
I go to work.
I study English.
I drink tea.
Let's repeat one. I study English every day.
Great sentence.
Now you try. What do you do every day?
Nice. Daily English, daily practice.
Now let's talk about food again.
Simple question. What food do you like?
Example answers. I like rice.
I like fruits.
I like simple food.
Repeat together. I like fruits.
Your turn. What food do you like?
Good job. That sounded confident.
Now drinks.
Simple question. What do you drink?
Examples. I drink water.
I drink tea.
I drink coffee.
Repeat one. I drink water.
Now you answer. What do you drink?
Perfect. Very clear English.
Now we focus on today.
How is your day today?
Example answers. My day is good.
My day is busy.
My day is okay.
Repeat with us. My day is good.
Now your turn. How is your day today?
Nice answer. You're doing great.
Now work questions.
What time do you work?
Example. I work in the morning.
I work in the evening.
I work all day.
Repeat one. I work in the morning.
Your turn. What time do you work?
Good. Simple and correct.
Now study time.
When do you study?
Examples. I study at night.
I study in the morning.
I study every day.
Repeat together. I study at night.
Now you answer. When do you study?
Excellent.
Now let's practice free time again.
What do you do after work?
Example answers. I rest.
I watch TV.
I use my phone.
Repeat one. I watch TV after work.
Your turn. What do you do after work?
Nice and natural.
Now yes or no again.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Let's practice. Do you like tea?
Good. Do you wake up early?
Perfect answers.
Now listen to a longer conversation.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
What do you do in the morning?
I drink tea and study English.
Do you work today?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Listen again later and speak with us.
Now repeat slowly.
I wake up at 6.
I study English every day.
I like simple food.
I drink water.
My day is good.
Say them again later. Repetition.
Wrap up, recap, and community question.
Let's quickly review today.
We practiced simple questions like, how are you? How is your day?
What do you do? What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you like? What do you do in the evening?
You don't need big sentences.
Small sentences are powerful.
You're learning step by step.
And we're proud of you.
Now, our question for you.
Down below, tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
Write one simple sentence.
For example, I wake up at 6.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Let's review.
Today we practiced, what time do you wake up?
What time do you sleep?
What do you do every day?
What food do you like?
What do you drink?
How is your day today?
Small sentences, big progress.
You are learning real English.
Step by step.
Now your community question. Tell us in the comments, what do you do every day? Keep practicing.
Keep speaking. See you next time.